Why repair your windshield? In today's world, most cars come with several features like advanced forward collision warning and rain sensors. To power these, there are many sensors that must be installed and then calibrated with the windshield. Replacing the original windshield leaves you open for these features not to work as intended after replacement. The high cost of a replacement is due to the amount of work that goes into calibrating and making sure these sensors work properly after replacement. As well as that, replacing your windshield does not stop you from receiving another chip the next day while driving. And this is why at Dr. Windshield, we always encourage our customers to repair their windshield as soon as they receive a chip or crack. We can repair cracks up to 10 inches long, as well as complicated rock chips. To make the process even simpler, Dr. Windshield comes to you to repair your windshield. With over 20 years of experience, our employees use our exclusive PowerVac system with diamond clear gel to repair your windshield so you can continue driving with peace of mind. Stay home and give Dr. Windshield a call now.